Hello everyone and welcome to the Java programming course. In this course we are going to learn each and everything that is necessary to code or program in Java. So let's begin with what is Java. So Java is basically high level programming language. By the term high level programming language we mean that it is a machine independent language. We can use Java on any machine. And it was developed by Sun Microsystem and it was released in year 1995. Currently Java is managed by Oracle. The question arises that why we should learn Java. So Java is basically an object-oriented programming language. Unlike C++ programming, in which we used procedural as well as object-oriented programming, Java is a complete object-oriented programming language. That means everything that is included in Java is class or an object. Okay. Further, Java is a platform-independent language. You can use it on any platform. First of all, whenever the Java code is compiled, it is compiled into a machine independent code which is known as bytecode. You should focus on this line. The Java code is basically converted into a machine independent code which is known as bytecode, and that bytecode is basically interpreted by Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine is part of Java development kit which is provided by the Oracle, and it should be installed in our system so that we can use Java as a programming language in our system. How we should do it is to be seen in the next video. Other than it, Java is a simple language. If you know the concept of object-oriented programming, we may directly go to Java and it is easy to learn. Other than it, Java provides us with many features of security. We may look at how we should use these features to make our program secure. Other than it, Java is architecture neutral language. It means we can execute the compiled code in any of the machine in the presence of Java runtime system. Other than it, it means Java is portable. Portable means you can transfer your program from one machine to other, and that will also run fine without any error if you have Java runtime environment or Java development kit installed in it. Other than it, it is a robust language. Robust language means it has many things inside it. Further, it makes an effort to eliminate the error by using the concept of compile time error checking and runtime error checking. So these are the reasons that why we should learn Java. So in next video we are going to cover the concept that how we should install Java in our system so that we can use it to code. So I hope that you like this video. Meet you in next session. Have a good day. Thank you.